Hey Pablo, my name is Viola. Thanks for taking the time out to talk with me yesterday. And in this video, I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. I found that by giving people a easy free attack plan of things they can do to impact their business has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, hey, I like you, Viola. Please do this for me. So if by the end of this video you like what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, then shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan that I gave to you to do for yourself, that works for me too. So now let me show you the three things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. Now this is your homepage. You guys need at least 1,500 words in order to be optimized with Google, and you guys have about 150. Now, if you take a look at your direct competition, which is, I don't know if you know these guys right here, Total Pros Roofing and Siding. If you take a look at their homepage, they pretty much are, they have about at least 1,200 words on their page. So they're very beatable. You guys just have to get an update. We just need to update your website and get some more content on there so that you guys can be optimized with Google. You see, every month people are searching for different keywords. And if we go here, this is your website. This is a little site that I pay for every month called Ahrefs. I pay about $70 a month just to monitor different people's business. You're more than welcome to, get a package under them as well. But this pretty much tells me right here the different keywords. So if you go here, you look at the keywords. You guys have 7 keywords. As you can see, it's not really working in your favor. And if you take a look at the competition, which I got in here, total, the same one, Allstar. No, Total Pro Roofing. Sorry, Total Pro Roofing. They have upwards of 994 keywords. Okay, and the good thing is that you want to be, all the keywords that they have, you click on it and it's right in here. So we can go in here and pretty much take all these keywords that they have and add them to your website so that way you can now be outranking them on Google. So the next thing I want to go over with you are citations. So if you take a look at this visible section here, first you see on Google, when people type in roofing in Grayson, Georgia, first thing that pops up are ads, always the ads. Ignore the ads because ads can be semi-effective and can definitely become a money pit. So you kind of want to stay away from that. But the next thing we see is the map pack. And these are basically the citations. A citation is your name, your address, and your phone number, and how many different places across the World Wide Web that it shows up on different directories, such as Yelp, Yext, Yellow Book, White Book, City Star, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area where you can submit as a citation. So you guys are coming up here right now as the third search, but honestly you're not the third search. You're more like on page 3 or 4 of this search. You're just coming up because I've been researching you, and Google is remembering that and they're putting you up on the first page, so it'd be easier for me to find you. But I did put in, as you can see, they are organically at number 2 and Grayson Roofing Pros are number 3, and at number 1. And when people search for roofing in Georgia or search for anything, they don't go past the first page. So we want to do what we can to get you guys on that first page. Now the last thing I want to go over with you are backlinks. Now backlinks are basically link juice. So as you can see, we did search for that, and this is where you want to be. You want to be, this is where you guys are. You have 30 backlinks. If you look at the competition, they have 418. Now, this is again still very beatable because I've seen this go into the thousands. So it's easy to beat them out, but they're getting 470 clicks per month, and you guys are currently getting, here you go, 0. So you're not really making a return on your investment, or you're not getting any benefit on Google, and we want to make sure you guys start making some of this profit value per client. Now, what we want to see here are the backlinks. Backlinks are basically site A pointing to site B, giving them juice, meaning that let's say you're on a website for Let's see, let's get on one of your backlinks so I can make as much sense as possible. Okay, perfect. Best 30 roofing equipment supplies in Conyers, Georgia. Okay, you guys are on this. That's one of the yellow pages site that you're on. So not all backlinks are created equal. That is a good backlink to be connected to, because this site is basically having your site on their page, pointing at it, and people could click on it, and now they can end up on your site. Those are backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal, meaning that how if this was like Pizza Hut, and Pizza Hut had your site, your website on their site connecting, Google is not going to recognize that. Google is actually, because obviously you don't sling pizzas for a living. So that makes the difference there. So you see the competitors' links use. They have, I think it was 400 and something, 418 backlinks working for them. But again, it's very beatable with time. So looking down below, we can see that these guys have tons of links. You could go right in here and see all the different links and where they're connected to. Okay, and therefore we can take every single link they have and go after them for your own site. So once again, we went over content. Your front page needs at least 1,500 words. Citations, you want to have 200 to 300 of these to beat out the competition by a landslide. And link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google how you're the authority. Now, if you implement these strategies today, you guys can definitely be on the first page across Google, but you can either go with this information I provided to you today and do it on your own, and I am totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to save the time, you could give me a call at 404-345-2771. Once again, my name is Viola, and my number is 404-345-2771. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a good one.